Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link your Acura TLX to your garage. First, make sure your garage door opener remote has fresh batteries for optimal signal strength. Next, park your Acura TLX within 3 feet of your garage door to ensure a strong connection during the programming process. Finally, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your vehicle's overhead console or rearview mirror, as these are what we will be programming today. For standard garage door openers, begin by simultaneously pressing and holding your desired home link button in your Acura TLX and the button on your garage door opener remote. Keep holding both buttons until the home link indicator light, typically located near the buttons, begins to flash rapidly. This rapid flashing indicates that the signal has been successfully learned. Once it flashes quickly, you can release both buttons. If your garage door opener uses a rolling code system, the process is slightly different. First, locate and press the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit, usually found on the ceiling. After pressing it, you have approximately 30 seconds to return to your Acura TLX. Once inside, press your chosen home link button 3 separate times, holding it for about 2 seconds each time to complete the synchronization. Now it's time to test your newly programmed home link button. Simply press and hold the button you just programmed for a few seconds. Your garage door should now open or close smoothly. If the door does not respond, don't worry. Carefully repeat the programming steps from the beginning, ensuring you follow each instruction precisely. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to get it just right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.